In this lesson, let's go back into Maya and set up our base head with the normal map so that we can start to bring in some of the shapes and start to blend them together in Maya. So here I've just got the level 2 base head that we've been working with, that we ended up with from our exaggerated facial training. And so this is the level 2. You can use whatever level you want as far as using it for the base, but we've just been exporting level 2s of the OBJs of all of our expressions, and I just wanted to be able to get a little bit more of the detail in the actual model rather than in the normal map. So let's go ahead and apply our base normal map on top of this. So the first thing I want to do is just take this head and go ahead and soften the normals, okay, so we don't get all that faceting. Then I'll go into the material, and I'm going to go into the bump map here. Go ahead and follow that through. I'm going to select a file and follow that value through. Under image name, I'm going to go to textures in our project and select the normal map, and this normal map is calculated at the level 2, so we'll go ahead and open that. I'm going to turn off filtering, and now we can't really see anything is different, so go ahead and turn on hardware texturing, and we'll also turn on high quality rendering. You can see it looks really kind of messy, and that's because we have it set as a bump rather than a normal map. So go ahead and go back to our bump 2D node here, and instead of use as bump, we'll change that to tangent space normals. Okay, so we can use this as our actual normal map. And you can see here I've got the eyes applied with that same material, so we just want to separate that out. So we can go to the hypershade, and I'll just take this material and duplicate it. Okay, go ahead and delete, break that connection, and then I can select all of this other stuff. Go ahead and select the whole mouth and assign that. And you can do whatever you want with the materials. So now we just have the normal map on the actual guy himself. Alright, as far as the hierarchy that is set up, right now it's set, we've just got one node right here, and then we've got the head, and then we've got groups for the mouth and also the eyes. So these things aren't merged together. So that, if we want to do move our teeth around here in Maya, that's going to be fine. But we'll look at how we can change things up, because in some cases we'll be bringing in teeth from the expression that we did in ZBrush. In that case, those are merged together, so we'll need to have matching geometry here within these so that we can set up our blend shapes. Okay. So in the next lesson, let's go ahead and start to bring in some of the shapes that we have, and we'll start to look at how we can set up those blend shapes. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that next.